Silchar, the second most populous town in the state of Assam in India, is located in the southern part of this state, a region known as the Barak Valley. In May 1961, when Bengalis all over the world were celebrating the birth centenary of the Bard of Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore, Silchar witnessed one of the most unfortunate events in independent India. 11 people were killed protecting their mother tongue, Bengali, during the Bengali language movement in Assam. People across the world have struggled to retain their identity through their mother tongue. Thousands of miles from Silchar, one of the political, cultural and economic centers of Central Europe and the current capital of the Czech Republic, Prague, has seen its own struggles to hold on to its roots. During the 17th century, when the Kingdom of Bohemia was under Habsburg rule, the Czech language almost disappeared under the enforcement of German from its invaders. But almost as a miracle, it came back to the mainstream through street artisans and puppeteers who held on to their mother tongue, and over time that has led to a cultural revival of the country. Speaking of street artisans and street art, a very important point of interest in Prague is the John Lennon Wall. While Prague is famous for its exquisite architecture and beauty, the John Lennon Wall, located in the Mala Strana neighborhood, stands out for its legal graffiti. Graffiti, defined as the writing, drawing and painting on walls or surfaces of a structure without permission but within public view, dates back to prehistoric times and has been used aplenty as a voice of the non-elite and the marginal groups of the society. Post-1948, people in Prague started protesting against the political situation of the country at that time in the form of graffiti on a particular wall. John Lennon was a hero to them, as his songs expressed freedom, and when Lennon was murdered in 1980, that wall became the place to express the grief of his followers. Since then, it has become known as the John Lennon Wall. Now, people from all over the world use the John Lennon Wall as a canvas for expression. We took this opportunity as well to express our gratitude for the 11 martyrs of the Bengali language movement. The Bengali language movement was a protest against the decision of the government of Assam to make Assamese the only official language of the state of Assam. This sought to impose the language of a third of the population over the remaining two-thirds, as Assam is a multi-language melting pot with people speaking Bengali, Hindi, Manipuri, Bishnupriya Manipuri, Khasi, Garo, Nepali, Mizo and others, in addition to Assamese. When the bill was passed mandating it, a strong protest gathered shape in Barak Valley, a primarily Bengali-speaking region, to reinstate the freedom of Bengali language. On 19th May 1961, thousands of satyagrahis gathered in Silchar railway station in a peaceful protest, chanting "Jaan debo tobu jaban debo na," which translates to "I will give up my life but not my mother tongue." Unfortunately, the slogan came true for 11 of them, when without provocation, police and paramilitary opened fire on the crowd. The 11 language martyrs are Kamala Bhattacharya, Kanailal Niyogi, Chandicharan Sutradhar, Hitesh Bishwas, Satyendra Deb, Kumud Ranjan Das, Sunil Sarkar, Tarani Debnath, Shochindra Chandra Pal, Birendra Sutradhar, Sukamal Purkayastha. After the incident, Bengali was given the status of the official language in the 3 districts of the Barak Valley. This video has been done in English to raise awareness about the incident among our non-Bengali friends. But as we conclude, we will switch over to Bangla and end it with a poem on Kamala Bhattacharya, the youngest and the first woman language martyr in the world. শিলচরে বাংলা ভাষার জন্য যে 11 জন প্রাণ দিয়েছিলেন সেই ভাষা শহীদদের শ্রদ্ধা জানাতে রইল মনীষ ঘটকের লেখা কবিতা কমলা ভট্টাচার্যের মায়ের কান্না।
সে যে বলে গেল জান দেব তবু জবান কখনো দেব না, ভাত বেড়ে রেখো ফিরে এসে খাবো, না এলেও মাগো ভেবো না, যেতে দিই নাই ছোট মংলিকে যদিও নাছোড় বান্দা, দিদিগত প্রাণ ছিল ছুরিটার তিলে তিলে দেয় প্রাণটা। বড় অনটন অভাব দৈন্য ভরা এ ছোট সংসার, মেজ বেনুবালা স্বামী কি জিনিস পায়নি সুযোগ জানবার, অল্প বয়সে হয়েছে বিধবা শুকোয়নি আজও আঁখি জল, কমলিকে খুন করেছে স্টেশনে দুঃসংবাদে সে পাগল। আমরা তো কেউ জহরলালের কোনো অনিষ্ট করিনি, কল্পনাতেও অশুভ চিন্তা মনে কেউ কভু ধরিনি, তবে কেন তিনি গৌহাটি বসে এসব কাণ্ড করালেন, ঘাতক পাঠিয়ে শিলচরে কেন মরণ নিশান ওড়ালেন? দু চোখের মণি কমলি আমায় বলেছিল, মাগো এইবার ম্যাট্রিক দিয়ে টাইপ শিখব, করব রোজগার, আসবে সুদিন দেখে নিও তুমি, দুঃখ তোমার ঘোচাবো, যতটুকু পারি দিদি মঙ্গলির চোখের জল মোছাবো। ভাষা বিদ্রোহে যোগ দিতে মেয়ে চলে গেল রেল স্টেশনে, দিদি মঙ্গলি সাথে সাথে গেল, বারণ তখন কে শোনে? ফিরে এলো না কো শুধু একজন, আরেকজনাও যায় যায়, ওদেরই মা আমি, মুছলাম চোখ, আমার কি সাজে হায় হায়। যে ভাষায় মাকে প্রথম ভেবেছি সে ভাষা আমার দেবতা, কথা কইবার অধিকার তাতে নেবই আমরা নেবতা। নেহরু ফারুক চালিহার দল বলে বুলেট না বাংলা, জান দেব তবু জবান দেব না করুক না যত হামলা।